Papa no want to die. Many things I want to buy. See, I want to get money, but I don't want hustle. I see, I want to get money, but I don't want hustle.
You know, you make Vienna or where as the managing director of this company. When ramen, ramen, no, I understand the ramen. So, even the time Vienna where our hospital door would off it, my mind. Who done in here? I am taking the position of the MD. You understand? So therefore, you address me from today as the MD.
Oh, at the end, I'm serious here, and I'm going to survive here.
If the MD is talking, nobody interfere. You understand? When I tell this, when as the new managing director of this company, I'm going to give my rules and regulations of this company. You understand? Okay, where no late comer to the office. No late coming. 6:30 in the morning, you should be here. Okay, who to tell you anything? 2 o'clock. After 2 o'clock, who the oh, give a where 3 o'clock. I hear you take a break. And before that time, nobody should eat. You know how anybody eats, he must be in trouble. As in 3 o'clock in the way you have 3:30. 3:45, you resume work. And okay, where why you 6:30? Who's up at 7 o'clock? That is the rules and regulations. Take care, you get out. And the most important one. So you run matter for where una re period way. Ugi your mind, egi do motor that period. Who da? Be motor yari out there. The motor warrior. How do motor ifo? How afia here? Ejin wa knock. Manager. Ya ge mi jo. Manager mi wo itaka bo wa. Yi ya ge mi jo. Yan we ipo no re period yan no de motor yi. Ave boy see me wagon na wi nya. Why we gbe go nisin ko we workshop na. Wa ge 2 more suspension. You grab. Yes sir. Who done in here? Senior boy, you will be in charge of civil defense. Who make sure each as in one boy, one girl in our civil defense, they man every day. You understand me? You make control man now. They like it. They should take care of the lives and property of this workshop. Egero na Muria. Resume work.
Epa, where we gonna me ya win anya? Me bo.
Okay, no problem.
Manager, no more.
Manager Guane. Manager.
I be keeping up busy.
As Papa no want to die, many things I want to buy. See, I want to get.
Not a bank. No one, Omako. That way, wofu. Nuzo. Cannot do aku work with you. Let 20.
My brother, are you even talk to no you na all the thing. O mighty go aba, mighty we manager mighty go when you senior boy.
As I wear what boneba. Akbene wo. We are we an ebe no. Gumega mawe. Beni gbo ba meti de ba agbo. Odewo. Aku ara yen no ya pagba imam mi we Osanu does no get pa yare. E pamana ijeje owo. Ana mi ijeje owo ri no re pa wa lodo. O de ni pa wa la ni straight. One man plan, one man squad. O wa relax. Iku me senior boy, where ya let read the boy.
Who ask me ya?
Why tell you now? Obana wa ya.
If I were this,
You wa wa ke nene wa gbe. Obo ni mare de mi agege.
if I were what this,
Gbe la o. Gay, emi o pa wa ro ni oni ta. E ma ta sin. So pon
Then I'll be my way up one. Or what can I boss on me? Even what is son by vow, but more of what time.
Oh, not a wow way.
What's on the way? Manager, manager, no go. Oh yeah, dig it. Dig where?
Egg, what dig where?
Original.
Where?
Dig what about you?
Yeah.
Me savvy.
My wife, woman.
Walk up. We are the boy. You buy you.
Bobo. What a big care.
You mean my work here?
Eh. When
we are go away. Weva, Ranua. Danwa. Dan.
As Papa no want to die, many things I want to buy. See, I want to get money, but I don't want no.
Manager.
Oh, so we see me our yes.
We na be over there.
Osanyati. Owe ma gbe ma wo ai mo fi epo.
Iwa re ba na we na ke ni be do tu wa.
We ma we. Una yawo.
Yes. Me debo de ma iwa te kan wa bokini. Sia ni ama ma oga wa na we gbe mi yan na mi no ma go akeke. Na to ke ni dog manager.
Oni oge. Ra.
How we be fiafa ma.
He dey fiafa.
Oh, pa me te do
Yeah.
Oh, bueno. Manager, where me do eh?
Me beg we wo.
I me do everywhere. Oh, where me do
Unu gba plan e.
The plan. Me de ba me de kan bi no ma we na we see we. O ma be no je, emi no o ke ma wa be no ya the company na yi. Manager no ma o ke na da no.
We no hin. We me na me se no wu. Ogun ni wa ya go te me ma no we so we ri oni. Ri oje e.
We from na mai.
Afia ma. Na do be ge de agbe we yori.
Oh amo. Afia ma. O de manager bo. Ma go allow e. You be na ko. Sete o. Where do you mean?
As Papa no want to die, many things I want to buy. See, I want to get money, but I don't want no.
Bami sọ̀rọ̀. Talk to me. Check out me more. Check out me more. Me more. Young man. You say you're the owner of this place.
It was my father's, so it's not my own.
The Holy Spirit is saying the truth. And you borrow money to open the place.
No, my papa said that time.
Only. Ẹ̀mí mímọ́. Kò lè parọ́. Inobila. You have more than 2 boys here.
Yes, this place is a big workshop. There's more than 2 boys here.
Holy Spirit.
Pardon.
An accident is not happening the way it used to happen for car to come in.
What is no longer coming like that again? So we need many work.
Accident more has
Cars are not coming. Cars are not coming like that.
Talk to me. Stop Sọ fún mi. It must happen. Holy God.
Baba, right on.
Yeah.
Right on.
You have to do serious cleansing prayer. Holy Ghost cleansing. You call all your boys. And you also say you have girls.
I also have this.
You have girls? What are you now waiting for? No, what's that there? Call them. Oh, total cleansing. Call them. Call them.
Baba, does it require any special thing for us to buy so that we cleanse this place totally?
You say you have guests?
Yes.
The big one. Holy Ghost. But what are they? Yeah, Holy. The cleansing will be done thoroughly. Go there. Holy. Holy.
Prophet, continue.
No, Wami.
Continue.
Holy. Prophet, holy. Put it on my head. Hey, holy.
Right on. Prophet, right on.
Who's the Lord?
Your spirit not clear. Right on, prophet. Prophet, right on. I'm clear. Nine.
Holy. Go see me. Holy. Tell me, where is the problem?
Right on.
It's not here. Sọ fún mi. Mami sọ fún. Nigga.
Yes.
The problem is not here. Where is the problem? Only show me. The problem is not here. Young man, the problem you are facing in this garage is right here.
Okay,
Only is right here. Young lady, you have to go for total cleansing.
she need it.
Ọ̀nà ayé total cleansing, total cleansing na him.
Young lady, you have to follow me for total cleansing.
Hey!
Privately, only. Don't say me da. Go there! Remove me! Remove that cloth! Only.
Ọ̀gbẹ́ni kì í pọ̀ ọ̀kẹ́ ẹ̀.
Hey, put on the clothes!
Ọ̀gbẹ́ni kì í ẹ̀.
Manager, mi awa na hin.
Only.
Manager!
Kilele! Ogba agbára! Kilele! Only. Remove your baculum.
Nílé kí ọ̀nà.
Baculum.
Okay. Total cleansing, ọ̀wẹ̀ ní ayáwó náà.
Yes,
Ayé total.
Yes, o.
Mata. Total cleansing.
Only. As you are going, you all have to keep on praying. Where is your inner room?
Okay, men follow you go inner room. Store room. Not you. So. Abino, not play, mama play. Abino, stand. My manager now. Hey, where's Mamudia? Hey, not even I know.
Oh, they don't my hand na. No me tena mi oya kodore.
It's to tax me sing.
Hey.
Only.
Abino. Wow.
Yeah, you not nano.
Niko no de ade.
Ono wa won. Imi ale tama emi be stubborn. Ya won na nya no.
What's your man nena won? Ma won ha. Sabo han say gbogbo anyway, Ariel storeroom. Ya mo a shock of Zava on river ni. No Ariel key, Ugwelu market. We are always shock replacement. When high.
Shockaba. Do you know Shockaba?
Larry. Obo on not agreement. When high. Obo on not agreement. E mo mo anyoge. Express me win na. Ari on ge we.
The senior na we shock replacement.
La demari. Ari on ge we.
O ma be settle down when our office na to. Ba ya yin win na e.
Senior boy. We are there be go.
Oh well, let's see.
Yemi maga won no do yero.
Oh, even now I don't wear workshop now. I don't know.
But I take some things. Now we are follow up. You understand to shine the eyes.
You want to know what? Slow we are ready. Just allow ya.
Do you know Shockaba?
Shock. Where go there?
Shockaba.
Agbaja ogele. Oh, choke observer. I will tear chop observer. What's the way I do?
Gas as no. When you am Shockaba ni awe shock replacement key.
Oh, when we are here, kill when we are replacing.
They know shock over. Shock.
Oh, you're not that way. Say yeah.
We men una say men. Wọ́n rí me ní chance ya o e be oni. We wọ́n say men now.
Senior girl, remember.
You go to your agreement also, but yeah.
Mon ka agman grime si no boy me. Akhia odoni gunu oje na onisan. No na ya gogo I don't know. O gi mai ni gwa lo.
Wọ́n tó lẹ̀ yìí.
Malaki nu wa now. Why this to mo we?
Ya dis tell me. Lare, o to ti moto ni ni won ni won pe, o ma go e pe. Lare ni sama. O ti for never say aso o ma say we do tin o give am ki owo. Madam, o ge ni sa. La wo yo sa boy na o. Ni moto ni no nya hia do mu. Adole ifo ne o ma go e pe ya pe.
Epa. We ma je we ga ti mo azena.
Madam, ni wa go e wa yen ya. Yeah, Mr. Agbede. You tolerate any rubbish. I don't play my business. Yeah. But
we will not be out there at 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock, if you pay what if you are doing, you're going to go and see a big woman.
Manager.
No so na. Wemi. Ya there fitare.
Manager. Tiri favore mana.
Ebeye. Aya sana.
Yeah, transport.
Larry. Uwelo mana o na dore. Why you why here? Ma let me go trek.
Yo wali.
As in ya nera no ho oga ajo weje ko. Nza change your government na hina. This Buhari regime. Igore una. So I wa manage, compromise. This is change your government. Running.
We me dan na hina manager o. Na ho mi na. I want to go gbe na ya we respect manager.
We see. They get there o. What all? Mia.
I don't want to die. Many things I want to buy. See, I want to get money, but I don't want no.
I've been over where now.
Osasa Abino Osuko pick me aleba Abino
Papa no want to die. Many things I want to buy. See, I want to get money, but I don't want hustle. I see, I want to get money, but I don't want hustle. Yeah. I don't get plenty money now, one day cut time. Many things they for my mind, I know they talk on.